Friends, as you know that in this time there are so many cities in India, they are facing air pollution, and because of that there are so many people who are facing problems related with the health. So I think that this is really a very genuine concern that we should focus on this, and we should try to solve the problems which is happening in our across the nation. And today I was reading the newspaper and I got to know that there are 50 most polluted city across the world, and 39 from the India only. I think this is completely shocking fact for me, because if this type of things happening, and we are not becoming so much strong, we are not good in matter of this environment. I think that something somewhere this can affect our nations, and we will have to face the problems. And as you know that because of this air pollution, life expectancy of the peoples are also decreasing day by day. The peoples who are living mainly in India, their life expectancy is decreasing about 10 years, and normally it's about 5 years. So I think that this is completely a very this is really a problems, and we should focus to solve these problems. And there are so many people who are just nearby the Delhi. The stubble burning is also coming in this case, and this is also increasing the air pollutions. And another reason is that in this time everyone is using the uh, motorcycle, car, and this type of vehicles. I think that the solution will be that we should try to use the electric vehicles so that we can solve the problems. Otherwise this will really be problematic, and we should try to avoid the things which uses the diesel petrols, and because of that we are getting the smokes, and that is our really polluting our this air, so which is completely wrong things. And if this process keep on going, for example if we are using this type of materials continuously, and we are not using electric vehicles, then definitely in the upcoming days we can face the problems. And as you know that because of these reasons, because of this air pollution, there Mumbai is called the city death of breath. So I think this name should be, this name is not so much good, because if someone is so much notorious for something, then it is not good things. And I would say that we should we should try to do these things in just unity. Then it can be possible to solve the problems, because in this time if you listen to the speeches of some politicians or some people, so then it's okay, very easy to just give the to give something, and say something. For example, if I am saying, it is easy to say, but to do it is really difficult to. So I think that if, for example, if I want to go nearby area, then it can be possible I can use the bicycle. So what's problem to use the car only? So sometimes in our society this is a taboo, that this is actually culture, that if you use the car in Royal Enfield, then people will consider you are a good person, you are wealthy person. I think there is no need to show another one else. There is need to understand ourselves, and be happy with that. And I think this is also one thing which is also helping us to increase the air pollution. So I think we should follow the rules and regulation of the government, and try to improve the air pollution, try to just remove air pollution as much as possible from our side, and try to follow all the guidelines of the government. And I think if you do this, follow the ideas of government, then definitely it can be possible to solve problems. Otherwise this is going to be really problematic for us. And as you know that we are taking the oxygens, and that will be also polluted, then our whole life and whole generation will be polluted, and we will face the problem. So I think there is a solution that we should follow the we should take suggestions, and try to do the work which is in favor of the nature, not in against the nature. So this is the one thing that I can say. So thank you, friends.